So I recently did a virus shawl tutorial to see how much shawl I could get out of just one shawl-in-a-cake from Lionbrand. If you were with me on that video, you may remember I had a little bit of yarn left over that didn't make it all the way through another 4-row repeat. But it didn't occur to me until I posted that video, duh, I could do a border. So let me show you how to add a cute Picot border to the virus stitch. And I won't judge you if you say Picot, but
Picot.
It's Picot. We'll start by fastening on a new yarn. You'll take one of your corners, and into the top of that last stitch or turning chain, insert your hook and pull a new strand through. I just did this by draping the yarn over, and then I chained one with the tail to fasten on. Now you can insert your hook into the next chain space, yarn over and pull up a loop through that space, yarn over and pull through 2 to make 1 single crochet. Then to create your first picot, chain up 3, and you're going to slip stitch back into that single crochet you just made. You can work through the front leg of the stitch right here. I'm going to work right through the center of that stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, and pull it through the loop on your hook to slip stitch. And there's your little picot, which will become more visible once we work a few more. Next, you'll work 1 single crochet into the next double crochet, then 1 single crochet right into the next chain 1 space, and 1 more single crochet in the next double crochet. And into the next chain space, we'll work another picot. Again, make a single crochet into that chain space, and chain up 3. Whoops. And slip stitch back into the single crochet you just made. And that is the repeat for your picot border. You'll work 1 single crochet into the next double crochet, 1 into the next chain space, 1 into the next double crochet, and a picot into the chain space after that. When you work up to this little single crochet dip between shells here, you can work your 3 single crochets across those 3 stitches. Into the first double crochet, into the single crochet, and into the next double crochet. Then when it's time for another picot, you'll have worked up to this chain space here to work that picot into. So that's how you do the picot border on a virus shawl or any virus shell motif. If you've never seen this stitch pattern before in your life, check out my handy tutorial. And if you're now hooked on the virus motif and picot border, I just released a paid pattern, which you can find wherever fine patterns are sold, called the Staycation top, that incorporates the virus shell pattern and picot edge into a triangle bodice of a pretty snazzy crochet top. So be sure to check out those links in the description box. Thanks for watching! Bye!